Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create YouTube channel using your mobile phone in 2021 to earn a lot of money. Yes, myself Martin, I'm from HowXT. This video will be purely for YouTube tips and tricks. So this video will help you how to create your YouTube channel using your mobile phone itself. In my previous video, I have showed you how to create a Gmail account. I have given the description link. Just click the link and you know about how to create a Gmail account. Using the Gmail account only, you can able to create a YouTube channel. So this is an easy step. Using your YouTube channel, you can give your knowledge to the people. Once the people is watched, your channel is monetized, automatically you will get a revenue from the YouTube channel. So this video, how to create YouTube channel using your mobile phone. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, from my mobile, I just open Google Chrome browser. So this is my browser. So on your right hand side corner, you will have your account. So this account, HowXT Tamil. This account I have created last week. So how to create Gmail account, I have given the description link. You can use the link, you can create your own Gmail account. Now I would like to create a YouTube channel. First you need to click the right hand side corner of 3 dot in your browser on the top. Yes, once you click, automatically there will be a different kind of option will be available. Just select desktop site. Once you click desktop site, there will be a browser will change like a desktop model. So then you need to type about YouTube. So once you type YouTube, automatically it will direct you to the youtube.com. So as you see, yes, youtube.com. I have logged in with my Gmail account for the channel. I just click YouTube. So automatically it will ask you whether you want to open YouTube link via Chrome browser or your application. Just select Chrome and just select always. So once I select, automatically my YouTube, that is web YouTube, will be open. Yes, here you will find an option called your account is opened here. So automatically from your Gmail account, your YouTube is open through your browser. Yes, so now I would like to create my own channel. So how to create my own channel? My mobile itself, I just select the account on the top and you will find an option called create a channel. Because this account doesn't have the channel, so it will ask you to create a channel. So with my mobile I can create my channel. Just select create channel. So it will direct you to the your created journey is begin, get started. So now I would like to create a new YouTube channel. So that's why it's asking, it is giving information. Just select get started. Here you will find username and use your custom name. You can select HowXT Tamil as a YouTube channel, or you can choose a different kind of name. Use this option. I just want the same selected one. I would like to create my YouTube channel. I just select. Yes, once I select HowXT Tamil channel is going to create today. So with this option, yes, Studio YouTube is creating now. Yes, nice work, YouTube channel is created. Upload your profile picture. If you want to upload your profile picture, you can upload your profile picture and you can give your channel description. Everything will be available. Using single step you can create your YouTube channel. So tell about your channel details. You can give your description, whatever description you want. You can type from your mobile phone. This channel, I have given this channel description, and you can give your custom link and you can give the Facebook and Instagram and all the details. Whatever you have, you can give. Otherwise just click setup later, leave the site. Yes, so once you click leave the site, automatically your channel will be created. Because now only you're creating your channel, you don't have any subscribers, you don't have anything else. So if you want to develop your social media, how to create a logo, I'll tell you in this YouTube section. So now I have created the YouTube channel using my mobile phone itself. So now I can start uploading my video. For example, if you create your YouTube channel, you need to upload your videos so that your viewers can able to watch and view. So this is my channel dashboard. So HowXT Tamil, my channel name is there. I don't have any logo. I need to create a logo. My video, I don't have any video and I don't have any playlist. And my channel and discussion. I can discuss with my channel viewers and about my channel. I didn't give anything, so joined today because today March 2021 I have created my channel using my YouTube channel using my mobile phone itself. So manage your video and customize your channel. You can customize your channel using this option. So now you want to upload your videos. You can upload your videos using this option. Just click upload video. So your video, if you created your video using your mobile phone, means you can click and upload your video. Select your video and upload your video. So this is an easy step. Select your file. Your file is there in your mobile phone. You can upload your video and publish your video. I'll tell you next step how to upload your video and how to find everything, how to create a content in this week for the YouTube series. So this is an easy step. Using your mobile phone itself, using your email account, you can create your channel. You can see your channel dashboard, everything. So whatever updates is available, everything will be displayed over here. So this is your YouTube studio, so you can just select. So these are your content details. Automatically your dashboard will become here. Whatever details, channel content, everything will be available. Your channel analytics, so how much of viewers are watching, what is your channel revenue, everything will be displayed over here. What are the audience are available, what is your monetizations, channel monetization will be available. So these are the channel growth will be available. You need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hour required for your monetization, and everything you need to create regularly using your content. So you need to give your unique content details to your viewers and audience so that you will get views and you will get 1000 subscribers easily and your channel will be monetized. So this is an easy step. You can create your YouTube channel using your mobile phone. Now the next video I will tell you how to create a content from your mobile phone and make your YouTube channel to upload all the videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe my channel and please subscribe HowXT Tamil channel also. You will get a lot of videos and availability. I have given the all description link. Just click the link and know about all the things. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.